going to start with chapter number 3, that is the northern plains. So in this chapter, we will study about the northern plain, that is Satluj Basin, Ganga Basin and Brahmaputra Basin. So answer in one word. So the northern plains are very fertile. देखो जो northern plains हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा fertile हैं. They lie just below the northern Himalayas valley. They stretch from Punjab in the west, Assam to the east, south of the plains and lies in the Deccan Plateau. So a plateau, what is plateau? It is a raised land which is more or less level. The northern plain are almost flat and slope very gentle. ये जो plains होते हैं ये fertile होते हैं because the river flowing down the Himalayas bring lot of fine soil. और इस fine soil को क्या कहा जाता है? Alluvial soil, right? So next one is the river which brings down fertile soil. जो river fertile soil लेके आती है वो कौन सी है? सतलज, गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र. These are the most important river of the northern plain. ये water supply करती है northern plain throughout the year and this water is supplied to them by Himalayas. So during monsoon, when these rivers overflow, they leave rich alluvial soil on the bank. The soil left on the bank वो कैसा होता है? बहुत ज्यादा soft होता है, light होता है और बहुत ज्यादा fertile होता है. इसमें क्या होता है? जो large amount of yield होती है कंट्री की उसको हम फूड बाउल ऑफ इंडिया कहते हैं. द गंगा and the Brahmaputra flow into Bay of Bengal, Satluj flow in Pakistan and then into Arabian Sea. The river Ganga, it is the longest river. The area through which these rivers flow, उसे हम basin कहते हैं and a basin is the total area drained by the river and its tributary. Right? ये आपकी 3 basin में divided है सतलज, गंगा and Brahmaputra. First is Satluj basin. So the rainfall in this basin is not much. Canals, tubewells and wells are used for irrigation. Rainfall is less and the monsoon wind coming from the Bay of Bengal hit the hills of Assam. So क्या होता है कि ये सतलज बेसिन में नहीं पहुंचते. जो इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेट्स है वो कहाँ लाई करती है? आपकी पंजाब एंड हरियाणा में. गंगा बेसिन टू द ईस्ट ऑफ सतलज बेसिन लाइक गंगा बेसिन, ये एक्सटेंड करती है फ्रॉम दिल्ली एंड उत्तर प्रदेश टू बिहार एंड वेस्ट बंगाल. राइट? So the river Ganga and Yamuna flow through this basin. Both these river are the most sacred river. क्योंकि दोनों river क्या है? सबसे ज़्यादा sacred river है आपकी. Right? So the tributaries of Ganga and Yamuna are the गंडक, घाघरा, गोमती, कोसी. कुछ other tributaries जो है गंगा और यमुना की, ये flow करती है साउथ से. कहाँ join करती है? आपकी होली river, that is India. They flow from west to east. Chambal, Betwa, Sindh, Kain, Son river. It is the only river which join Gangas directly. राइट और जो रिवर गंगा है वो फ्लो करती है थ्रू उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार एंड वेस्ट बंगाल. राइट और जो ये आपके रिवर यमुना है ये गंगा को ज्वाइन करती है नियर प्रयागराज. वंस इन द वेस्ट बंगाल इट ब्रांचेस इनटू हुगली एंड पद्मा. द सिटी ऑफ कोलकाता इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द बैक ऑफ रिवर हुगली. हावड़ा ब्रिज जो है वो आपका इस रिवर पे बना है. दूसरी ट्रिब्यूटरी क्या है? पद्मा, जो फ्लो करती है बांग्लादेश में, फिर वो ब्रह्मपुत्रा को ज्वाइन करती है. राइट आफ्टरवर्ड द गंगा एंटर्स वेस्ट बंगाल. ये स्लो हो जाती है. Because it slows down, it becomes very difficult for it to carry silt and sediment. Huge islands are formed from its deposit and river hence breaks up into smaller branches. These branches form the delta. The Gangas and the Brahmaputra flow into Bay of Bengal and what they form, सबसे बड़ा delta form करा जाता है, that is सुंदरबन delta. जब river pollute हो जाती है because of the growing cities and factories and the Ganga has not been spared, right? So we have the Brahmaputra basin. The Brahmaputra basin is surrounded by hills and mountains on 3 sides. It is very wide river. As it flows into sea, many streams क्या करती है? All sides को join करती है. Masingrao इस basin में lie करता है and it receives highest rainfall in the world. During the rainy season, the river Brahmaputra usually remains flooded. ये क्या रहती है? Flooded रहती है. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.